Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing strawberry lemonade that I know you guys are going to love, especially in this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, beautiful family, preparing your simple syrup. It's very easy to prepare. You're going to need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. You're going to take it to the stove, cook it for 5 minutes. Yes, you want to make sure that the water is no longer cloudy, because if the water is cloudy, that means the sugar granules are still there and you want them dissolved. This is going to take from start to finish 5 minutes. You want to make sure that you make your simple syrup before you prepare any kind of aguas frescas. Your lemonades should be delicious, amazing, but yet not overcrowded with sugar. That's exactly what you don't want. That's why in all my aguas frescas and all my lemonades, I prepare my simple syrup. As you could see, I have this glass jar. It's beautiful. I add only my simple syrup here so that it doesn't absorb any other flavors. So here, when you see the water already starting to bubbling, your simple syrup is being created. There's no longer granules of sugar. And that's exactly what you want. You want to make sure that your simple syrup is done completely. The water is boiling. And when the water turns slightly yellow, the way you see it now, that means your simple syrup is ready. Make sure that you do this process before you make your lemonades at home or your aguas frescas. Turn off the stove, let it sit, let it come to room temperature, and then start making your amazing and delicious homemade aguas frescas. Here, I'm going to continue with my organic lemons. They're nice and juicy. I'm only using 3. I'm going to make sure that I remove all the seeds, of course. And let's continue. I have my strawberries here. With this little gadget, I'm going to remove the little stems. I don't remove none of the pulp. And this little gadget, I bought it at Walmart. Let me tell you, when you make your lemonades, you have control of how much sugar you add. Any type of sugar, honey, agave, you decide. And here I rinsed them very good. I left a little bit of water there so I could add into my blender cup. I'm adding everything into my NutriBullet. You know that the NutriBullet, I only use it for my lemonades. A pinch of salt. This is going to help reduce the acidity of the lemon. 1 cup of the simple syrup, 1 cup of the lemon juice, and now we are ready to blend away. Take your time, blend for about 2 minutes until everything is completely incorporated. Once this is done, you're ready to start enjoying an amazing, nice and cold agua fresca. Look at this. And here, let me show you how this looks. It looks nice and thick. My mouth is watering because it's nice and hot here in California, and I'm really going to refresh myself with this homemade strawberry lemonade. Look at this texture. It's nice and creamy. Of course, this is how you want to enjoy a homemade lemonade. I have the freeze-dried strawberries. This is almost everything that I have in the little bag. I use it a lot in my aguas frescas. And now I'm ready to pour some ice into my pitcher. Of course, I am going to use in total 1 liter of water and lemonade. And now I'm going to add the freeze-dried strawberry specks, more water, and then I am ready to enjoy and refresh myself. Remember, if you're making this amazing agua fresca and your family's still not home, Don't add any ice. Don't dilute it. Add it directly into your glass. Look at this. This looks amazing. And I am sure this is going to be so refreshing, so delicious. You could enjoy this amazing agua fresca at home. There's no need to go out and start looking where you're going to go buy this amazing agua fresca when you can make it and make it at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. And now, if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And I am ready to refresh myself with this homemade strawberry lemonade. I'll see you in just a little bit. Friends, I am completely done with this homemade strawberry lemonade. The flavor is so intense and so delicious that I know you guys are going to enjoy it. Excuse me. Let me tell you, with that dry strawberries on the top, enjoy it. Make it with your beautiful family and refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Of course, on my channel, you have so many different types of aguas frescas. The weather is already nice and hot. Refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing and delicious homemade strawberry